Hello everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. Thank you for tuning into our channel and watching our videos. I'm about to take you on a tour of a beautiful Phoenix, Arizona home. It's 2-story, features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, just over 2,000 square feet. And if upgrades and location mean anything, and they do, this house has both. My name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team, and we would be happy, actually honored, to assist with all of your Valley of the Sun real estate needs. Hang on a second. Could you guys click subscribe? I always forget to ask. Thank you. Be it buying and or selling, renting, investing, upsizing, downsizing, relocating, you name it. If it's Arizona real estate, we love it. And we're pretty darn good at it. All of my contact information can be found in the description of every video. So if you're interested in taking a private tour of this house or any other home in Arizona, reach out to me ASAP. There's no obligation and there's no charge for us to represent you when buying or renting. If you're thinking about selling, and now's a perfect time, our marketing system is state of the art. But enough about that. Let's take the tour of this beautiful Phoenix, Arizona home. If you're thinking about relocating to the Valley of the Sun, today's your lucky day. In the description below, the first comment contains a link labeled Mr. Rogers Homes Relocation Guide. Click it, it will take you to our website. We will then email you a free and beautiful Arizona relocation guide. Enjoy! Pretty nice house in Phoenix, Arizona, and it could be your home. All you have to do is make the first move. Call me, text me, email me, send me a message via carrier pigeon. No, don't do that. I have no idea how that works. Maybe the Pony Express. Pretty sure it was invented in Arizona and it may still be around. Now I'm curious. Could you find that out and leave it down in the comments section for me? That would be amazing. In any event, if you think that this home in Phoenix could be the one for you, let's get you into it ASAP. There's no harm, there's no foul, there's no charge, there's no obligation. It's just us trying to help you find your Valley of the Sun home. Thank you for watching our video. Let's finish it up. Until next time, God bless America. Please take care.